The first question on today's daily math asks you to compare 73,450 and 73,532. How would we compare those, Alexis?
Well, if you look at it, there's 73 on both of them, so you have to put the next number, and 73,532 would be greater.
Very good. We know that 500s is more than 400s. So 73,450 is less than 73,532. The next one is also comparing. This time we're comparing 3,492,087 and 3,493,870. Jaden, how would we compare those?
First, we would see if the 3 was like the biggest number.
Very good.
And then we go down, and that's
Okay.
the same exact number.
Okay.
So we go to the 4, and then you look at the other number, that's the same.
Okay.
Look at the 9, that's the same. Look at the 2, that's not right. So you would pick the one on the right.
Okay. We know that 3 is more than 2. So 3,492,087 is less than 3,493,870. All right. Next, we're writing the number 437,821 in expanded form. How would we do that, Justice?
I raised my hand for this because I forgot to press submit and I just clicked it.
It's okay. 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 400,000 plus 30,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 1. It's the second choice. Thank you, ma'am. All right, next we're finding the difference. 18,354 minus 4,672. So how would we do that one, Olivia?
I put 18,354 first, and then I put 4,672 under it, and then I took 4 minus 2 equals 2, and then I borrowed a 10 from the 3, and that becomes a 2, and then we put a 15 from that, and then I got 8, and then I had to borrow from the 8, so I left that out, and I got a 7, and then I got 12, and 12 minus 6 is 6, and 7 minus 4 is 3, and then 1.
Very good. The difference is 13,682. Good job, Olivia. Next, we're finding the product of 4,387 times 9. How did you do that one, Dylan?
So I did 4. I did like how everybody else would do it, like a weight bill, like 4,000 times 9, which is
That's not how I do mine. That's just nothing. I did it.
36,000.
Mm-hmm. Yes. 4 times 9 is 36. And we have 3 zeros to add. Okay. Then what?
9 times 3 is 300 times 9 is 1,000.
27.
27.
3 times 9 is 27. And how many zeros do we have?
2.
2 zeros to add, so 2,700. Okay. Then
You do 9 times 8, which is 72.
very good. And how many zeros do we have?
1.
1 0 at the end. Okay. And then
9 times 7, which is 49. $61.
63. And do we have any zeros at the end?
No.
No. Okay. Now what do we do?
You add 3, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 equals 3.
Okay.
You add 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6, which is 8. You add 0 plus 7 plus 7 equals 14. So you'll have to put a 4 down and 1 above the 6. And then 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. Plus 3 is 3.
Okay. So the product is 39,483. Good job. All right. Next, we're finding the quotient. 1,232 divided by 6. This one was a little tricky. You had to do some thinking about what you know and reason with your numbers to figure it out. So how many things do we have?
1,232.
Good. We have 1,232 things, and we're putting them in how many equal groups?
6.
6. So I'm going to go ahead and make my 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want to take care of my thousands first. Can I put 1,000 into each group? No. So what do I need to do, Amy? Hey, why would we put 200 in each group?
Because it's a big number.
Okay. So how many hundreds do I have? If I can't do anything, I have 1,232 things. If I can't do anything with those thousands, how many hundreds do I have? Can I throw the 1,000 away?
No.
What do I have to do with it, Amy?
Make it into hundreds.
Yeah, I'm going to make it into hundreds. So I have 12 hundreds to put in 6 groups. So is that why you said 200? Okay. So 200, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 1,200. Okay. Do I have any hundreds left over? No? Okay, so now what do I do?
You try and figure out a way to put 32 to add something to 6 into 32.
Okay. So we can't do anything with those 10s, can we? So we've got to, like Owen said, we've got to put 32. We have 32 left, so we need to put those 32 into 6 equal groups.
Miss Wheatley, I'm sorry to interrupt.
You could put 6 in each one 6 times.
Okay, so if I did 6, that would be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Can I do that?
No.
That's too much, so we can't do 6. What could we do?
Put 5 in each.
Could put 5 in each. Let's try 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Can we do that? Yeah. How many do I have left? 2. Can I do anything with those 2? So what are they going to be? They're going to be the remainder. In each group, I have 205, and I have a remainder or leftover of 2. All right. A construction company purchased 300 boxes of nails. Each box costs $87. How much did the nails cost the construction company? Cash, how do we do that?
You can add 87 300 times.
Oh, are we going to want to add 87 300 times?
No.
We could do that, but that would take us forever.
387 times.
We could add 387 times, but that would take forever too. Let's think of a more efficient strategy than...
Break up 87 and do it 300. You could break up 300 and do it 87. You could.
So what do you mean by do it? What could... I don't think that addition's going to be a very...
You can multiply it by 300 times.
Yeah, we can multiply 87 times 300. How in the world can we do 87 times 300?
I don't know.
87 times 300. Ooh, you can do 7 times 300.
What can we do, Jaden?
Well, first, what you could do is how I normally do all my times is I'll put my hundreds, and then I'll do the shorter number. Then I'll do, okay, so just 7.
Right, well we hadn't learned how to do that, so that's not going to be a strategy. But we do know something that we can do when we're multiplying by multiples of 10. What is it?
You can do, multiples of 10.
Mm-hmm.
Can you do 80 on the top and then 7 on the bottom?
Can we do 80 times 3? Or 87 times 3 and then make it 10 times bigger twice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 10 times bigger.
Yeah, it's 10 times bigger and then another 10 times bigger to get the hundreds. So let's do 87 times 3. So Jaden, tell us how you would do that.
First, I would get my 3 and I'll do 3 times 7.
Okay. 21. So what do I write down here?
Put your 1 below the, and then you put your, 2 in front, and then you do 3 times 8, and that would be,
Mm-hmm.
so you do 24 plus,
Plus these 2 up here. Okay.
put that together, and then you put your number down there.
Okay, so 24 plus 2 is 26. So 87 times 3 is 261. Then how many zeros do I have to add to the end? 2 zeros at the end. So what's my answer?
261,000.
I have 26, a comma, and then 100. So what would that number be? 26,100. The correct answer is 26,100. All right. Now we're listing multiples. Yesterday we started with multiples, and we said that multiples are just skip counting by that number. So it says list. List tells me that I'm going to make a list of 5. There's going to be 5 numbers in my list, and I'm finding the multiples of 4. So I'm skip counting by 4s 5 times. Okay, so what's 4 times 1? 4, that's the first multiple. 4 times 2?
8.
4 times 3? 4 times 4?
16.
4 times 5. There's the first 5 multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
I got it wrong because I only put the last one.
Okay, well it says list, listen please. It says list the first 5. It doesn't say what is the 5th multiple. It says list the first 5. So now you'll know next time that you need to make a list of all of them. All right, next we're listing the first 5 multiples of 7. So we're skip counting by 7s. So it would be 7, then 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3,
21,
7 times 4,
28,
7 times 5, 35. So the first 5 multiples are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Next, we're listing the multiples of 9. The first 5 multiples of 9. We're skip counting by 9s. 9, then 18,
27, 36,
36, then 45. Very good. All right, and the first 5 multiples of 12. 12 times 1 is 12, then 24, 36, 48. What is it? 60. 60. 60.
I just put the 2. I just added the 2s together and then I added the 2s together. We need to add the last number on each.
Yeah, exactly. All right, last question. Check all of the following multiplication problems that have a product of 32. Is 1 times 32 equal to 32? 2 times 16?
Yes.
4 times 8?
Yes.
6 times 6?
No.
Well, what is 6 times 6?
No.
36. So that does not have a product of 32. 31 times 1? What would that be?
31.
That's 31. 11 times 3?
No.
No, that has a product of 33. How about 16 times 2? Yes. 8 times 4?
Yes.
Okay. There's your answers. You should have checked 5.
I only got 2.
Okay.
I only checked like 4. I got 10.